how to fix Telegram number is banned. So what we can simply do is, like, we have to make sure that the number which is banned, we have access to that number itself. And what we can do is we can simply go in any searching website or apps. Here I am going in Google, and there we will search for telegram.support.com, and after searching on that we will get a Telegram support website. Then we'll click on it, and here we have to describe our problem. The problem is that I will simply write here that my Telegram account is banned, and after that you'll have to add email ID that we have access to, and the particular phone number that our Telegram is logged in from. So after adding all of this, we will simply click on it, and then after clicking on it, Telegram would help itself to recover your account easily.